search and rescue stray animals. Do not abandon or abuse your pets. Little animals need treatment. Let's bring them back to our rescue center. Miu Miu, I'll leave little animals to you. No problem. Which house will the animals live in? Let's choose for them. They look very uncomfortable. Let's give them treatment. One of the parrot's wings was broken. Let's give it treatment. The parrot is still weak. We should apply some more drops. That's great! The parrot will be able to fly again. The examination is complete. It's totally healthy now. Let's feed it. Wow, it's ready to be adopted. So cute. Can I adopt it? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Congratulations! You have become its owner. Please take good care of it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it.